What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on a Block back again, and this time we're doing an oil change on the Ford Escape. Now look how clean that thing is. If you haven't seen my other video, be sure to check out the detailed video on the detailing of this Ford Escape. Anyway, we'll pop the hood. I already checked the oil level, it was low. Oil dipstick is right down there. Yeah. And the oil fill is right there. And I'll show you where the oil filter is. Slide underneath the vehicle. Alright, so underneath the vehicle, your oil filter is right there. Here's your front bumper. Straight underneath the front bumper, almost in line with the emblem. You'll see the oil filter. You want to make sure the vehicle has cooled off because you're right here by the exhaust. And exhaust components get very hot, so we'll make sure it's cool to the touch so you don't burn yourself. There's your oil filter. And the oil drain plug is right there. So for this repair, you'll need a 15mm wrench or socket, an oil filter wrench. I'll be using this Husky adjustable wrench. There's the part number. You also need your oil and a filter and something to catch your oil in. Be sure to recycle your oil. This says right there. Don't dump it out in your yard. Recycling oil is free. Doesn't cost you a thing. Just drop it off. You can drop it off your parts store or your local municipal center. The Ford Escape takes 5.5 quarts, so we'll be using this 5-quart container, and I got another quart that I'll use to get the other half quart in there. You're also going to want to have some rags handy because this makes a little bit of a mess. Alright, filter's off. We're going to let that drip down a little bit. Get some rags and wipe up that excess oil on the manifold and downpipe and on the oil pan right there. Then I'll get a little bit of purple power and we'll spray on this exhaust here and up there on the catalytic converter, and that'll break up all this oil, break it down, get it off of here so it doesn't smoke when we start the vehicle up. I'm not sure what the obsession is about putting oil filters in places where they create other issues, but it seems to be pretty common, so just make sure you got the stuff to be ready to deal with it. So we got the oil filter off. We're going to go ahead and put the new one on while we're here. We got a new filter here. Ensure that gasket right there does not mate itself to the block. That would be terrible. So make sure you get you some nice clean oil on there. We'll go ahead and reinstall this. Alright. Now we're going to slide back to the back of the engine and get the oil drain plug out. Alright, around the back side of the engine, I've got my 15mm oil drain plug. And break it loose. Make sure you got your drain pan underneath. Always try to make sure I stay clear of the oil stream. There she goes. We're going to go ahead and get our oil drain plug and get it back in the drain pan. Be sure to check your manufacturer specifications for the amount of torque that you need to apply on your drain plug. Don't use an impact. See, all the old oil's out, now it's time to fill up with the new oil. Alright, that concludes the oil change on a 2005 Ford Escape with the 3.0 liter V6. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do me a favor, smash that like button. Drop me a comment below. We'll see you on the next one. Look at the mess that thing made on the floor. Oil splattered everywhere. Sheesh. I think I bent up my light backing off the ramp. I did. Look at my handle. Oh, you can't even see because the light's in your eyes. Oh, look at that. Ah, man. Oh, it's supposed to be upright like that. Oh, man. You.